Good day, this is Ace Realtor from Buhay Realtor TV, and right now we are at the heart of Makati City. This is the business capital of the Philippines, the primest location in Chino Roces Avenue. And dito nakatayo ang Red Residence. Now, ano nga ba ang pinagmamalaki ng Red Residence? Gaya ng ibang SMDC condominiums, this is accessible to everything that you need in your daily living. Kung makikita nyo, meron tayong Alphamart dito, may 7-Eleven tayo dun sa kabila, kapitbahay lang, hindi siya makikita eh. Now, dito sa Alphamart, you can have the groceries that you need, at meron na ring laundry area dito. So hindi ka na mahihirapan, hindi mo na kailangan ng washing machine sa condo mo. Number 2, SMDC condominiums or Red Residences have a 5-star hotel lobby. Kung ikaw ay may bisita, ang unang makikita nila, a luxury lobby. Again, when we talk about SMDC condominiums like the Red Residence, talaga naman luxury lobby ang meron tayo. So, envision your family, your friends, your visitors na nagkikwentuhan dito just like them.
So, Buhay Realtor TV, nandito tayo sa Red Residences. So, tignan natin yung 1 bedroom with balcony. Tara! So, pag dineliver sa iyo yung condo, gantong-ganto na po ang itsura. May mga cabinet na. Sa exhaust. May kasama na pong induction. Then, ito po yung kabila. Maganda po yung ating mga materials na ginagamit dito. Tapos meron siyang re-strap.
Linis ang pagkakato.
Then buksan natin ang restroom. Toilet and bath. Ayan, ganyan na ganyan po siya mata-turnover. So, next, puntahan natin gano'ng kaluwag yung magiging sala. No? Ayan, pati ceiling. One bedroom. Gamit ang sliding door. Tignan natin. Ayan. Balcony. Kaya space ng balcony niya compared to other. So that's 1 bedroom with balcony turnover.
Okay. Here at Red Residence, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elevators in total. So isa tong crucial information na kadalasan nakakaligtaan ng mga tao kasi traffic kapag isa or dalawa lang yung elevator, but in Red Residence, hindi mo yun mararanasan. Let's go, akyat tayo. Number 3 that we can be very proud of is meron tayong mga resort-styled amenities. Just like this one. Hindi pa man siya tapos pero nakikita nyo na kung gaano siya ka-relaxing. We have the alfresco, the balconaje, and here is a lounge. Lounge, right? Yeah, this is a lounge. So kung gusto mo magpahinga-pahinga pero ayaw mo dun sa pinaka-grand lobby natin, pwede ka dyan. Let's go. Okay. Here we have a kiddie pool. So para sa mga chikiting nyo dyan, sa inyong daughters and sons na bata pa, they can enjoy the resort style amenities. Here is our adult pool. Siyempre, tayo rin matatanda, gusto rin natin mag-relax. Gusto rin nating mag-swimming. Okay. Take note guys na the Red Residence ay pinakabago in Makati. So marami dyan po, hindi pa po siya talaga tapos. Pero pwede na mag-turnover. Pwede na siyang tirhan. Bukod sa magagandang environments, of course, we need health, right? Kasi health is wealth. So we need to be in shape. Lapit ka, sir. Idungaw mo. We have a gym that are complete in equipments, everything that is needed for you to stay in shape, have that. So this is an event place, a function room that can accommodate at least 50. Sobrang luwag pa nun. If you need a presentation area for 50 guests, this is perfect. We can see the pool. We can see the overview of Makati, Manila. Actually, Manila view. Okay. Then, in Red Residence, we have resort-style amenities. Good day, we are at the lobby of Red Residence in Chino Roces, Makati. Now, this is a very great opportunity talaga kasi hindi pa tapos yung amenities or yung ibang features ng Red Residence, napakabago niya pa. And sinabayan pa yan ng napakalaking discount. 262K, 5% spot only. Then you have two options. You can choose the 13,900 pesos monthly. 13K lang nasa Makati ka na. You have 16% discount sa total amount payable. And if you can, para sa akin mas maganda to, na kaya mong 18K lamang monthly, you will have a 25% discount sa total amount payable na nakasave ka actually ng more than 2 million pesos. Ngayon, this is a very small example lamang because we are in Makati, the business capital of the Philippines. Ang natural rate dito ng rental, kung gagawin mo siyang business, is 25,000 pesos. That's very conservative, that's very low, but we would like to have a conversation na hindi tayo nag-overpromise, right? So 25K per month, the average rental in Makati, tapos 18K lang yung monthly mo. Iba na yung nagbabayad para sa'yo, meron ka pang sukle-sukle, di ba? So that's very good way to have a property investment. So, saan ka pa, kung para sa'yo, i-reserve mo na for only 35K lamang. So what are you waiting for? Libre lang ang tripping para iyong makita, i-schedule mo na. And here are the social media platforms kung saan pwede mo kaming makontak. This is Ace Realtor at your service. And like, subscribe, and don't forget to share the Buhay Realtor TV, where we share ang buhay naming mga realtor na talaga naman genuine na gusto makatulong para makakuha kayo ng property nyo